When you travel like us, one of the most essential parts of a long van life journey is having a good quality radio to listen to music. Upgrading the radio has been something we've wanted to do from the beginning of the van build, so how does the ATOTO S8MS hold up? Stay watching to find out.
So, you're watching this video and judging by the recent weather we've had in the UK, you're probably expecting us to be going away and enjoying the lovely warm weather. Unfortunately, that's not the case this video. While we were having a lovely heat wave, I unfortunately got sick. I actually got sick, I think, with the cold or something, so I spent our lovely warm weekend in bed for most of it. So now that I'm feeling a bit better, we haven't actually planned any camps at the moment, and the reason for that is we are going to do a massive upgrade to the van. We're going to do a big entertainment upgrade to the van. If you'd have seen in some of our past videos, you'll have seen the radio we have in the van at the moment and the fact that we never use it. The reason being is we can't use Bluetooth for the radio, we don't have any like Google Maps with the radio, or we don't have any hands-free, so it's not great. So we've been using a portable speaker so that we can sing our hearts out while we are doing these road trips, and it's just not quite very good. So I had been looking at replacing the radio, but let's be honest, with the way the van is, it wasn't on the priority list. But thankfully a company have reached out, and the company is ATOTO. So ATOTO have reached out and asked us if we would be interested in a new radio for the van, and we absolutely jumped at the opportunity. So we want to say a massive thank you to ATOTO, and what we're going to do is we're going to install the new radio and we're going to show you some of the features of it. So the radio that they've sent us is the S8MS new. This radio is genuinely actually looks really good. I've been doing a bit of research, watching videos and looking at the reviews, and the fact it has Android Auto, we have Bluetooth. I really can't wait to use this because it's going to be such an upgrade for our van. So we've actually had this for a couple of weeks, but because of everything that's going on, we haven't actually even looked at this yet. So this is literally my first time seeing it. So we're going to take it out of the box quickly and then we'll do sort of like an unboxing properly, if that makes sense. I'm just really interested in getting a look at this. If anybody knows me, they'll know that in the past I've done radios in pretty much all my older cars. I was massively into my radios and subwoofers and speakers in my cars. So this is bringing me back to my, we'll say my younger years. So I've just opened up the box and I can say right away this is the most amount of wires I've ever seen come out of a box in a radio, which is brilliant because it looks like they've included so much stuff. So as I say, I haven't looked at this yet. This is literally the first time. What this looks like a antenna, so it does. Looks like they've included a mic as well for the hands-free option, which is brilliant. GPS antenna. Some bracketry and screws. Screen protectors. So that's I've never seen that before in a radio. And then they've also given us two different bezels for around the screen. Now the reason being for that is it is a universal fit. So we're going to very quickly go over the install, but we'll sort of gloss through it. And the reason being is because every install is going to be a wee bit different depending on your van or your car. So we can't really show you that because, as I say, it'll be so different. But it is nice that they include the different bezels so that you can get it to fit different situations. So now we have the radio itself. So this is quite cool. So you can see it's a 7-inch screen, and what I actually really love about this, and as I say, this is my first look at it, it has physical buttons. So I absolutely love something that has physical buttons, because whenever you're driving and stuff, instead of having just to touch it all the time, it's nice to have the quick buttons that you can get to really easily. So to remove the radio, we put in the two prongs, which are radio removal tools. They release the radio at the sides, so we sort of security clips, and then it just pulls out. So that's the radio itself out. So we're going to set that aside because we're not going to need that anymore. But what we have to contend with is all the wires. Now, because this was an ambulance, there are things in here that wouldn't be in your standard van. So I'm going to take a few minutes, I'm going to take out all the old stuff and then get ready for the new radio install. So now we have the cage in for the radio, and we've test fitted the surround with the radio. Now there was a wee bit of a faff with this, but that can happen because it's a aftermarket kit. Sometimes you may have to modify it to get it right, but that's nothing to do with the ATOTO. That's just sort of the way you have to do it with aftermarket stuff. So now we have the million cables, and I'm going to plug in pretty much all the cables that we're going to use, and then once we plug in the cables, we're going to slot this in, try and get this tidied up, fit the surround, and then we will go through the ATOTO unit itself. So a pretty amazing feature about this ATOTO head unit is you can actually put a 4G SIM card in this. So as you can see, you open the flap and then put a 4G SIM card in, and so that allows the unit to be able to use like Google Maps and all separately. Before we hide this inside, I just wanted to draw special attention to this because I think that's really cool. So you can keep this a standalone system with its own data. So we've just installed the radio, and now we're going to go through some of the features about the ATOTO S8MS. This radio actually retails around £350 on Amazon in the UK at the moment. So the version of the ATOTO S8MS that we have comes with a 7-inch HD screen. It's quite a nice bright screen, so it is. We haven't played about with any of the settings, this is just as it's come out. It's very responsive. I like that it gives you a beep as you're moving things or pushing the buttons, which is quite nice. Anybody who uses Android should be able to use this no problem because it's very intuitive. And then the physical buttons as well. I said this at the beginning, but I really like physical buttons. Like be able to go quickly to the home screen and then volume up and down with a physical button, mute on and off, and then also mic as well. You can for Android Auto, you can hit that for the mic button. For those that don't like the sound whenever you're flicking through the screen, you can actually turn that off in the settings. So some of the features that this radio has is it has a 4G antenna, it has Wi-Fi, it has GPS. You can also have USB ports so you can plug your phone in or additional storage. You can also connect backup camera, front camera. The radio has lots of different options for third-party speaker setups, amplifier setups, so you can fully customize your sound system in your car or van if you want. So it has built-in sat-nav and its own sort of GPS, but we will mostly use Google Maps with this. Now with the 4G SIM card that you can put in this, it means you don't necessarily have to have your phone with Android Auto. This ATOTO head unit also comes with the ability to integrate the steering wheel controls on the vehicle. You can sort of directly wire this in with the wiring looms ATOTO give you, or you can get an adapter kit. So as well as it having the capabilities of it being a radio and having Android Auto, you can also use it with hands-free. So it comes with a built-in microphone on the side of the head unit, but they also give you an included external lavalier mic. So we've actually mounted the external mic because the van's quite noisy, so we want to make sure you can actually hear us when using the Bluetooth hands-free. So we're going to connect to the head unit for the first time, so I'm going to scroll through to Bluetooth, pair a new device, ATOTO. We're going to allow it to access contacts, allow it for messages. Now we're going to give it a test. Tony is going to give me a call and I'm going to answer using the radio.
Ring,
Hello?
Hello? Is it working?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, that actually sounds quite good, so it does.
Happy days.
Alright. It's also a radio. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go through the tuning in process. So we're going to flick onto the radio. As you can see here, it just says radio. So we're going to flick onto that. And then there's like a wee search icon in the bottom left. So if we press that, the radio actually goes and finds all the channels it can find in that range.
Radio 1.
Area change in any of these.
So as you can see, we now have radio stations. So what you can also do with this radio is you can connect to Wi-Fi, but you can also broadcast Wi-Fi. So what we're going to do in order to update the unit if it needs anything is we are going to connect to the Wi-Fi at our house. So in order to turn on Android Auto, you go to CarLink and then it'll automatically turn on your Android Auto. So one of the best things about this being an Android head unit is you can actually go onto YouTube and watch your favourite YouTubers. Like we have a couple of YouTubers on the screen right now. So as you might be able to hear, the sound quality on this is actually brilliant. It's got plenty of bass, plenty of highs. Now whenever we first had the original radio in the van, I was a wee bit concerned that I was going to have to upgrade the speakers because they sounded terrible. But from only putting in this radio, it has dramatically increased the quality of the music. ATOTO haven't asked us to say anything in particular. What the deal was is they sent us out a radio and asked us to make a video on it, which we're doing. So our genuine response to the radio is what you're going to get, and I have to say I am massively impressed with this. I didn't think it was going to increase sound quality as well as it has, so that's a major bonus. It's just absolutely jam-packed with features. I think we've maybe even missed a couple of features that this has. Like, I can't remember if I mentioned, there's also the ability to record DVR wise, so if you do have front and back cameras installed, you can actually record to an SD card with that function. And with it being Android, you can also go onto the Play Store and then you can download more apps. So it's an absolute fantastic piece of kit. I want to say a massive thank you to ATOTO for sending this out. It's genuinely going to make our travels so much better. Maybe not if you're nearby our van, because you'll be hearing me and Tony singing away to all the new music that we're now going to be able to listen to really loudly.
We hope you enjoyed our overview of the ATOTO S8MS, and if you want to check out this product or any other ATOTO products, you can feel free to check out the link in the description and bag yourself some extra discount.